Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both numbers can receive verification codes. This matters because WhatsApp ties accounts to numbers. Once done, back up your chats to avoid loss and make sure you know which device or ESIM will host each number. Next, open WhatsApp with the primary number. You'll add the second number on a separate instance or WhatsApp business. Do this now. It prevents conflicts and keeps your contacts linked to the right identities. You install a second WhatsApp instance, either WhatsApp Business or a cloned app, because WhatsApp allows only one account per app. Once installed, enter the second number and request verification. Use SMS or the call option if SMS fails. After receiving the code, input it quickly. Delays can invalidate the session. If the second number has a backup, restore it now so messages and media align correctly with that identity. You finish by customizing each account's profile and privacy settings so contacts know which number they're messaging. Once configured, test by sending messages between the two accounts or to a trusted contact. Confirm notifications appear separately. If you run into verification problems, make sure the SIM is active, restart the phone, toggle airplane mode, or request a verification call. These steps often resolve network delays. Finally, keep one number on the main app and the other on the cloned app to maintain clarity and avoid accidental mixing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.